little no-hander vibes going on. Let's go. What is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we're doing a top speed run of my Crf150R. This is a 2018. I got my speedometer right here. I made sure it's correct with my car and it was 100% accurate. So yeah, today we're gonna see the top speed. Some people say this bike goes 65, some people say it goes 70, some people even say this bike goes 80 miles per hour. So we're about to see how my 2018 Crf150 does. Start her up. Woo! First kick, let's go. Alrighty, gang, here we are. We're about to hit the top speed. But before we do, let's shred. Woo! A little one-hander. Let's see if we get a no-hander. Oh, that's a little no-hander, a little sketchy. Alright, gang, let's get it. Top speed run. We got the speedometer right here. Hopefully y'all can see it. And yeah, let's start off with a little roll to get the ball rolling. And here we go. I think the top speed right there was 63. So we're right between like 60 and 70 miles per hour. I feel like I can hit at least 65, bro. I got a feeling this thing will hit 65 no problem. We just need to give her a little bit of wheelie love and go into it. Alright, let's go. Only 61, bro. Damn, I low-key thought this thing would go faster, but it really goes around 61 miles per hour. That's weird. I really thought this thing was gonna be at least till 7. Like, it feels like it can go 70 miles per hour. I'm gonna go over here where it's a little more clear, a little more straight road. In the meanwhile, we're gonna shred over there. Let's go. And look, it goes 43. Like, this is like, I'm barely on the throttle in 5th gear, and like it goes 45 pretty easily, bro. All right, let's see. We got a straightaway. Let me tuck into a ball. Damn potholes, bro. Alright, that's crazy, bro. I'm only getting it up to like 63 miles per hour. Huh. But it's crazy how my two-stroke, my 125cc two-stroke will hit 70. Let's go. Alright, let's hit a little Trout. Woo! This thing flies on the trails though. I don't think I've hit this trail before. Back on the flipping streets. Bro, this thing wheelies, look, I'm going 40 on a wheelie and it's just curving. And the freaking throttle response, y'all hear that? The throttle response is ridiculous, bro. Like, bro, this is the perfect wheelie bike to learn on. Oh, almost lost it. I'm gonna do a few more top speed runs a little later in the video. Maybe the bike, once it's like super warmed up, maybe it'll go a little faster. I don't know. But I mean, bro, it cruises at like 45 so easy. That's why I felt like the top speed could be 70. But still, 63 miles per hour ain't that bad, bro. I can go on the highway. I can go on the highway with this thing, bro. Could you imagine this thing on the highway? We gotta burn some of this rubber off, bro. How to do a burnout. Woo, burnout city, bro. I'm doing that because my back tire is a little worn in, or not worn in, so it keeps pulling super hard when I wheelie, and it's pretty fun hitting a little burnout. Looks like we got some people up here. Let's go! Stand up for days on this bike. Bro, stand up, gang! Let's go. Oh, we're going under. All right, here we are, gang. Top speed. I suck at starts, but let's go. He's falling down. 65. All right. The fastest is gone right there with 65. I need to figure out a way to keep this from moving. Alrighty, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed this top speed video. The Crf150. Amazing, bro. Such a freaking fun bike to ride. It's a wheelie machine. It's a cheat code bike. It's all of the above, bro, for real. But remember, stay motivated. I'm surprised this thing didn't reach 70 miles per hour, but it is what it is. We hit 65, 5 miles off 70, but that's what it is, gang. Stay motivated. I freaking love you. We got merch in the description down below. We got the Subi in the back. We vibing, gang. Love you. Peace.